Unleash the power of Python for data science projects. Hi, everybody. If you're looking to become a full-time data scientist and AI expert from scratch, then you are at the right place. The best way to start your data science journey is with Python. The reason for this is not far to seek. Python is the most preferred language for data science projects across large companies as well as innovative startups. Today, I'll discuss 3 ways you can unleash the power of Python for data science projects. Let's start with the first one. Number 1. Python is the lifeblood of data visualization. Data visualization is the specialty of placing data in a visual context so that trends, correlations, and patterns that might not be so obvious at first glance can be revealed. Python offers impressive graphing libraries that are jam-packed with features. Regardless of whether you want to create live, interactive, or highly personalized plots, Python has the right library for you. Data visualization plays a vital role in the representation of small as well as large-scale data. This is especially so when you try to explain the insights you get from the analysis of increasingly large datasets. A data science professional must have the ability to tell a gripping story. This is where Python can play a powerful role. Python can help you in visualizing the data and the findings in an approachable and captivating way. Python presents you with the power and the skills to tell stories with your data. A Python library essentially enables you to extract information from data and visualize it better. This will help you to understand the data better and make more effective decisions. Python empowers a data science professional to take data that has little meaning at first glance and present it in a format that makes sense to the target audience. Python helps you to communicate effectively with data, so you can use your data to create an informative, compelling, and engaging story. Number 2. Python is the easiest programming language to learn and to work with. Python is truly a versatile language. The reason for the popularity of Python is because it supports numerous frameworks and 137,000 plus libraries. The sheer range of functionalities available in Python might sound too exhaustive and complex, but you don't need to be well-versed with every one of them. Python offers not only great readability, but also approachable syntax. The easy syntax resembles plain English, making it a top choice to start your data science learning journey. When compared to other programming languages, Python is, without a doubt, the simplest in the bunch. The AI Sciences course, Python for Data Science and Data Analysis, 89 Lessons, is a practical learning course. In this course, you will learn the basics of Python. You'll also learn about the top Python libraries: NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Bokeh, and scikit-learn. The most effective way for you to learn Python is by doing what you learn. So, the series of mini projects included in this course make your learning journey easier. You can quickly build a solid foundational knowledge of the most commonly used data science techniques. The code-along and challenging assignments in this course have been specifically designed to help you learn the Python syntax you will use in the real world. Python presents data science professionals with a few go-to libraries for completing their day-to-day tasks fast, such as Pandas for data cleaning and analysis, NumPy and SciPy for standard statistical tools, Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization. Number 3. Python enables you to automate even complex tasks. No one enjoys performing repetitive tasks day in and day out. Doing the same thing over and over again can bore even the most resilient developers out of their minds. Fortunately, the digital universe we live in presents us with an assortment of tools that relieve us from the monotony of needless labor. While the ability to automate tasks may seem to demand a thorough knowledge of the Python programming language, that's simply not true. Automating tasks is definitely possible, even if you're a newbie. Sure, it seems daunting at first, but building your first script bit by bit will feel very rewarding. And in the long run, your new skills will be a huge time saver. The simplest way to automate everyday tasks in Python. Start by listing out all the repetitive tasks your typical workday entails. Even in your first data science project, there will be several repetitive tasks. Next, classify your workload into easily manageable subtasks. Identify the ones you think could be automated, and think of the simplest ways in which you could automate them. Once you pinpoint a suitable task, the next step is to pick the right tool. A frequent repetitive task that comes to mind is copying the context of a text file into the system's clipboard. You can use the Copy to Clip script for executing this task on both Windows and Mac. Another frequent repetitive task is resolving the image format mismatch issue, such as PNG or HEIC, on older systems that accept only JPEG images. Convert to JPG is a quick utility that takes the input file and converts it to the JPG version, retaining the same base name. Yet another frequent repetitive task is that of calculating values. You need this more often than you think. With the automation function Quick Math, you don't need to open Excel just for this. If you look closely, you'll realize that you can easily automate dozens of routine tasks, even without in-depth programming knowledge. And automating tasks in Python is easy to learn. If you're interested in learning more about starting a data science career, then be sure to check out our courses at the first link in the description. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to start your data science and AI career and more. Check out this playlist of our data science and machine learning lessons and see you in the next video. Take care.